Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Fonts to your website. Let's start. First of all, open the Google and search here Google Fonts. Click the first link. Suppose I want to use two fonts from this website. Here you can see that this is the list of fonts and you can also search for a specific font here. So suppose I want to use this font, just click on this font. From here you can select a specific language, in which language you want to see the preview of the font. Scroll down. From these list of fonts, suppose I want to use this regular 400. So just click on this add button. You will see a link to your right side. But because I want to add two fonts to my website, again click on this font and search here Indie Flower. Click on this font, scroll down and click on this add button. Next you just have to copy this link to your right side. Open your HTML code and add this link to your head section. Now suppose I want to give this Indie Flower font to my H1 tag. Just copy this line, open your HTML code and inside the style section just type here H1 curly braces and just paste this line here, font family Indie Flower and cursive. Save this one, and when I will refresh my page you can see that the font have been implemented successfully. Next, similarly you can copy the second line, open your HTML code and type here paragraph and curly braces and paste this line here. This pop-in font will be implemented to our paragraph. Save the file, open Chrome and refresh your page. You can see the font of my paragraph have been also changed. So friends, I hope you must enjoy this video. If you have any question related to this video, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. And finally, thanks for watching.